What's up, guys? Today we're doing Etsy shop reviews. This is episode 22, and we are actually going to revisit a shop that I think, what did we review it as? We reviewed it as Etsy shop review number 6, and they've made over 100 sales since then. So we're going to go see the improvements that were made to Madness, the party shop on Etsy. Let's get started. Quick reminder, take advantage of the weekly print-on-demand giveaway. It's free. It takes like 10 seconds to enter. You can find a link in the description. 2 winners are going to be selected, and they will receive a license to Flying Research, print-on-demand research tools, AutomatePOD, print-on-demand design creation automation, All-American Graphics, and Bubble Scout, the only Redbubble niche research and validation tool. Also, while you're down there, I do have a free 8-day print-on-demand mini course that'll help you get started on Etsy with your print-on-demand shop, and I have a print-on-demand Facebook group. All right, let's go to the Etsy shop and check this out. All right, here we are at Madness, the party shop on Etsy. By the way, I will put a link to it in the description. Now, I do remember Vincent. You can see his little shop icon right here, shop owner icon. He's doing the little Salt Bay. I do remember he had his own shop in California that unfortunately he had to close due to the response to COVID last year in California. So unfortunately, because he was doing just fine, and he's moved his operation to Etsy. The big difference between, having your own retail location and being able to run maybe local ads is now you're on Etsy. And if you want to advertise anything, you're competing with literally everybody else. You can't get like a cheap ad, that's local, and you're only competing with local shop owners. So, I hate to hear that you had to close your business down, but at least you did move it to Etsy and establish some online presence. I do like the consistency of your branding. I love the big banner background up there. I've definitely been to a few EDM concerts with crazy lasers like that. Good memories. Also, the face melt. This shop icon is crazy. I don't know where you got that made, but that reminds me of like Beavis and Butthead when I feel like it was in the Beavis and Butthead movie when they did drugs in the middle of the desert. Did they even do drugs? I don't even remember. Maybe they were just like dehydrated and about to die, and they start seeing people that look like this. Anyways, let's check out what you got going on in the shop. I know you've done over 100 sales since the first shop review that we did, so that's pretty awesome. And this is cool. So we don't see this very commonly, but you've got shoes, and you've got different mock-ups of shoes. You've got panties, which I don't think anything's off limits when it comes to raves. Like, it's definitely been done before, wearing just panties to the raves. Let's put it that way. So you call it Rave Babe Women's Briefs. You may want to put more work into your titles. Even if you just write a generic set of keywords associated with clothing that you would wear to like an electronic music concert. On Etsy, you really want to utilize the title, and just put commas. So Rave Babe underwear, Rave Babe women's underwear, Rave Babe. I don't know if you have to repeat Rave Babe, but like, what else would you put? Girls EDM concert outfit. I'm sure there's plenty of other like synonyms and stuff that you can work in, but you do want to get indexed on some additional keywords and etc. Assist the algorithm in understanding when they should show you, right? Punk rock men's canvas boots, same thing. You just need to kind of, oh damn, you can sell custom boots? That's crazy. I wonder who you're using for that. If you see this video, shoot me a message and let me know who you're using to fulfill this order, because that's pretty cool. $62 too for custom boots. Size 8, 8.5, 9, 10, 10.5, and 7. Yeah, that's interesting because whoever is fulfilling these orders has to keep all of them in stock too. So that's going to be an interesting challenge that they're going to have to face. But that's really cool. And you got of course, the weed Jamaica colors on the, they look like Converse All-Stars, but of course I'm not going to say that because I'm sure that they didn't go and work out a deal with Converse to sell custom All-Stars. But definitely, I like the shoes. The design is really nice. However you got that design done, well done. Fanny packs, of course. Somehow they made a comeback and they're popular. You got custom shorts. Oh, swim trunks. Women's tank tops. That could be from Printful. Lady Madness. And then you got the Powder Puff Girls. Obviously, I'm supposed to say don't do that, but it's Etsy, so it's the Wild West. I doubt you'll get in trouble because Etsy doesn't seem to care. Yet they close people's accounts down for no reason. So I don't even know. Etsy, I do not understand. The shorts, very cool. Definitely towing the line there with the Mickey Mouse, but what are you gonna do? That's pretty cool though. Custom shorts. I mean, you don't see that too often either. How are you selling these? Wait, swim trunks. How are you selling these for $13.45 though? I'm guessing you may need to update the price there. Otherwise, you are very likely losing money. Alien Nation Fanny Pack. Again, work on the title. You're running a sale. That's good. Definitely run a sale. But title needs work. I do like the backgrounds. Check out the backgrounds on some of these listings, guys. In search results, those are going to pop. When we're just looking at his Etsy shop and there are a bunch of them next to each other, it doesn't pop as much. But imagine if somebody, like the standard use case of a customer that purchases from him, goes to Etsy, does a keyword search, and then they see a bunch of generic like white background, most likely, because that's the default, like this, you know? And then all of a sudden you see, boom, like a crazy like neon pink, neon reddish pink background just popping out of the page. So that's what you should aim, in my mind, to do, okay? That's weird. So the primary thumbnail is different, but when you click it, it shows the full shirt. Interesting. So I guess you zoomed in. I like that though. That's cool. What else? You got some more shoes, more fanny packs, a random pride shirt. I guess that fits into the EDM culture as well. What else? What else? Swimsuits, bikinis. Damn, this is sick. This design is crazy. So, I mean, yeah, you are going to, you know, you're putting your shop at risk by having designs like this in there, but you know, Etsy doesn't seem to do anything about it. And then all of a sudden one day in one fell swoop, they can, it's not, the thing is like, I lost my Etsy shop and I didn't do anything like this. So who am I to speak? But yeah, obviously you're not supposed to be selling anything related to major brands, you know, major intellectual property. Also your title, Face Melt Posters EU, like you definitely need to improve those titles. Yeah, just improve the titles. You're going to get more eyeballs on your products and more eyeballs will convert into more sales. This shirt is epic. How the heck did you make this design? Although it does look a little bit like poor quality. So hopefully the end product, if you ordered this, would not come out looking the way it does when I zoom in here, because it certainly looks like crappy quality doing that. But I'm going to say you got Baby Yoda posters. Yeah, you got to be careful there. Also, definitely revisit your pricing. $13.50 does not make me think that you're making as much profit as you probably think you are. So definitely be careful. Yeah, you got some Sonic the Hedgehog, some Pickle Rick, some Baby Yoda. So definitely be careful there. It's not like you're making that many sales either, but I think if you really wanted to go for it, you just update those titles and then you're going to get indexed on them and then you'll probably make a bunch more sales and then you'll probably lose your shop. So it's really up to you. I do like how you're using sections here, t-shirts, blankets and tapestries. You got a very organized shop, 500 plus products too. Well done. The heck is this? Was that masks? No. Hoodie, blankets, and pillows. You know, some weird stuff there. Beanies and hats, kids and baby gear. Damn, you even got the baby gear on the Madness shop. Backpacks. Stickers. Okay, looks like some Printful stickers. Or no, those are Printify actually, I think. The stickers too, man. You should be, but $1.79. You're not making any money selling stickers at that price. You got to revisit those pricing. Steampunk guns. Whoa, is this like leftover from your retail store? That's pretty cool though, that you've got these going on and mixed in with the print on demand stuff. Mini skirts, dresses. All right, so this honestly, this shop was different. We're 22 Etsy shop reviews deep, and we saw something new today. So I like that. Also, I see your shop's trending in the right direction. Careful about putting your shop, your entire operation on Etsy at risk with the intellectual property infringement, and definitely revisit your prices on some of those products because I don't think you are making any money. Thanks for watching, guys. Before I wrap up, just wanted to remind you, I wrote a full print-on-demand course walking you through how I make six-figure print-on-demand sales every single year. Etsy is just one module in it. I also cover all the other major e-commerce platforms. I cover how to do automation, and I cover how to advertise on each platform, as well as do niche research, do design, etc. It's packed with value. Check it out, link in the description. Thank you for watching, guys. Please have a great weekend. Please like and subscribe, by the way, before I leave. If you're not already subscribed, that would be awesome. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new top 5 niches of the week.